everyone, Happy New Year. I have this really cute desktop memory keeping calendar, whatever you want it to be, album. I've used some fun detail in here. This is the die cut piece from the Snowflake kit, and I used my sequins from this month to add in here. I've done lots more die cutting throughout this just to add some interest to the pages. And I just love the embellishments this month. They're just so much fun and just add the right touch to this. So this is super simple. Let's go ahead and grab a 2.5 by 9-inch paper, and we're going to score that at the 9-inch side at 3, 4, 5, and 8 inches. And this is just going to be our template stand. It's very simple. So we're going to go ahead and start by folding it down and then back and then down. And it gives you that little divot right there, and we'll just seal the top with some adhesive. So this paper right here is from my cardstock kit. I just thought it was perfect to use for the centerpiece. And I'm gonna go ahead and create my hole right now from my little ring. And then, ta-da, there's the stand. So once you do that, grab 6 2.5 by 3-inch papers. You could grab more or less, it's up to you. You can see that I've used my die from the kits this month to, create the interest in each of some of those pages. I'm gonna go ahead and poke a hole in all of them at the same time because I want it to be even as you're flipping through the pages. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my Snowflake die page because I'm gonna add that as my cover. And I'm just gonna pop a sequin on it because I just love the way it looks. And the sequins from the kit this month are just adorable. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the sequins I got from my kit, and I just stitched the top and poked a hole in it and added a little sticker embellishment on there. So I'll flip through this and show you the pages as I go along. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a Polaroid die from the embellishment kit with a photo, and just kind of placing them together to see how they look. And I'm just gonna add some more sequins on here because I really just love how the sequins look on the pages. It adds just the right touch and a little bit of, glimmer. Okay, I can see how that goes. So normally I would just close this whole album and work, but I'm just kind of working this way so the glue dries. Okay, and this is just a die piece that I embellished through the sewing machine. And I used the Hello die for that page. I'm just kind of messing around to see how I want to layer this album. So in my first album, I had put vellum behind it. I kind of just left this because I liked how it looked against the yellow. And now you can just find the right piece to put underneath it. And these little tassels are perfect because they just say New Year's party all day. And I like these two together, so I'm just gonna lay this up and close it so I can move along as I finish this album. I'm grabbing some more die cuts and just gonna kind of stack them and layer them because it just looks really nice with a little quote or lettering next to it. This is the perfect mini gift, in the mail because you can fold it down and maybe add a ribbon around it and it would be a good flat mail. And it won't get ruined as long as you package it correctly. Here's some thicker lettering. And I'm just going to put a little thumb notch on the side just to make it a little different than the other pages. You could fold these and add pockets and all sorts of things. I love the stars for this month. The stars and the little circles. I just wasn't crazy about how it looked on the pattern, so I'm just going to take that off. But I just love the stars. And then I used my stamps from this kit this month, and I placed it on that embellishment. And I'm just going to go ahead and write on a quote on the last page. Celebrate endings, for they precede new beginnings. And this is the album. Really simple. You could add your own twist. There's so many options, but I just thought it was the cutest way to start off the new year with something on your desk, or as a gift with something very personal that you can place throughout the year. All right, everyone, thank you so much. I hope you liked this quick project. I just thought it was really fun and sweet, and so many different ways you can use your kit. So I'm just going to flip through real quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this project, and if you'd like to see more, you can just subscribe to the Hit Kit. There's tons of inspiration, and we hope you'll join us. Thank you so much, guys.